Slash your travel fees and unlock smarter global spending with Wise. Planning your next international adventure. Managing your money abroad just got significantly easier and cheaper thanks to Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. Forget those hefty bank markups and hidden charges. Wise offers incredibly competitive exchange rates and low, upfront fees, putting more of your money back in your pocket for experiences. The core of Wise for travel is its multi-currency account. Think of it as your global wallet. You can hold and convert money into over 40 currencies, receiving local bank details for many of them. Here's how it works. First, download the Wise app or visit their website. Sign up and verify your account. It's a straightforward process. Once your account is set up, you can open a balance for any of the supported currencies. Let's say you're heading to Europe, you'd open a Euro balance. Wise then provides you with local Euro bank details in IBAN and BIC. Just like you'd get from a European bank, you can then transfer money from your home currency directly into your Euro balance at the real exchange rate. This is brilliant for receiving payments if you're working abroad, but for travel, it means your euros are ready and waiting. You can then spend this money directly using your Wise debit card, which is accepted worldwide wherever Visa or MasterCard is. Need cash? No problem. Your Wise debit card allows you to withdraw money from millions of ATMs globally. Wise has a fair usage system, typically offering some free ATM withdrawals per month, after which a small fee applies, but it's always transparently shown. The beauty of Wise is its transparency. You always know exactly how much you're paying in fees and what exchange rate you're getting, with no nasty surprises. So, for seamless, cost-effective international money management, make Wise your go-to travel companion. Happy travels!